All right, so we're gonna play the game Outlast, and in the game Outlast you need 2 dice, and you need 4 markers for these little things for each player. So right now I'm gonna have Alex is gonna play, and I'm gonna play. We're just gonna play just the 2 of us. So you can play this in groups of 2, 3, or 4, all right? But we're just gonna play in 2. To start, you are gonna put your marker down on any number that you want. So go ahead and put your marker down any number you want. And we can both have the same number. You can even put more than 1 marker on the same number if you wanted, but it's not advised. Okay, now to play, each time it's our turn, you roll the 2 dice, and then you can add, subtract, multiply, or divide the 2 numbers that you have. When you divide them, you want to make sure that you get a whole number answer because it needs to be one of the numbers on the board. So the goal is to take away your other person's marker. So if I add these, 2 plus 2 would be 4. If I say 4, then I would have to take my marker away. And I don't want that. I want to be the last one that has the markers on the board. So I have to think of a way that I can take away his. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I'm not going to be able to take any of his markers away. So I'm just going to say 2 minus 2 is 0, and I'm going to pass the turn to Alex. I just can't do anything. So now he's going to roll. Nice. And he has some options, but none of his options would get us to be able to take a marker off the board. So then on my next roll, I got a 6 and a 3. So I can add them and get 9, but that doesn't do anything for me. I could subtract them and get 3, divide them and get 2, but if I multiply them, 6 times 3 is 18, then I get to take away his marker. So that's how you play. And if you ever say the wrong answer, then your turn is over and you pass the play to the next person. Last person who has their marker on the board wins. Thanks.